Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today, our subject is construction material. We have discussed about the building stone, their properties. First of all, I introduce to you myself is Swaran Singh, lecturer civil, Pandit Jagtaram, Government Polytechnic College, Hoshiarpur. So now today we have to discuss about the building stones. Today we discuss the general characteristic or properties of a good building stone. Good building stone is that stone which fulfill all the properties which we discuss now. So following qualities are considered while making selection of a good building stone for different engineering works. Number one, appearance. Number two, strength. Number three, hardness, toughness, resistance to abrasion. Number four, durability. Number five, texture. Number six, workability. Number seven, seasoning. Number eight, porosity. Number nine, resistance to fire. And number 10, specific gravity. So these are the 10 main requirement of the good building stone. Yeah, we can say that the main properties of the stones which we use for the any civil engineering structure project. So now we have to discuss one by one. Number one, appearance. The appearance of the good building stone must be pleasing, beautiful. So the stone to be used for face work must have a uniform and pleasing color. It must be free from cavities, flaws, and patches of loose and soft material, etc. Second, strength. A good building stone should have sufficient crushing strength to withstand the load of superstructure. It should not be less than 1000 kg per centimeter square. So the stone which we used that should have must have sufficient strength that should not be less than 1000 kg per centimeter square. Number three, hardness, toughness, and resistance to abrasion. The stone to be used in stair, pavement, as railway ballast or road metal must be sufficient, hard, tough, and resistance to abrasion. It must be able to resist wear and tear. Number 4, durability. A good building stone must be durable enough to resist the effect of weathering agents as sun, rain, wind, heat, temperature, etc. It should have fine grained, compact, and crystalline structure. Number 5, texture. A good building stone should have a close grained and compact texture. ਸੋ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਣਤਰ ਹੈ, ਰਿਸ਼ੇ ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੰਦਰਲੇ ਇੰਟਰਨਲ, that should be close grained ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ that stone that must be hard, great strength and compact texture, not loose texture. So number 6, workability. The stone to be used for ornamental, carving and architectural appearance should be easily and economically dressed. So then we can give the much progress. So workability must be economical dressing honi chahiye. Next is 7-point seasoning. Stone to be used for important interior work should be well seasoned. Presence of moisture makes the stone soft and it is liable to an early decay when used in structural work. Number 8, porosity. A good building stone should be less porous. It should not absorb more than 5% of water. A stone absorbing 10% of water should be rejected. So stone, the porosity ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ very less than 5% ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ absorb ਕਰਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. Not a non-porous, not a more porous. So if the stone absorb water more than 10%, that should be rejected. Number 9, resistance to fire. A good building stone should be able to resist high temperature. Its mineral constituents should have equal coefficient of expansion. Number 10, specific gravity. So stone to be used on heavy engineering work, docks, harbors, gravity dam, etc. must have high specific gravity. It varies from 2.4 to 2.8. So these are the 10 properties of the good building stone. So we have discussed one by one. So must be fulfill these requirement, the stone which we used for any civil engineering structural project. So next is topic is common building stone. Common building stone we have to discuss one by one the origin and composition, the properties, users, localities. So these are must be discussed. So there are so many common building stones. Some of them are given below. Number one, granite. Number two, basalt and trap. Number three, sandstone. Number four, limestone. Number five, marble. Number six, slate. Number seven, pota stone. So these are the common building stones. So we have to discuss about these common building stones, their origin and composition, which type of the stones, their properties, their users, and their localities. So discuss one by one. First is granite. It is a common variety of igneous rocks. It is formed by solidification of magma below the earth surface at the place of its origin. So it solidify below the earth surface ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ and ਇਹ igneous rock ਦੀ ਇੱਕ variety ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ granite. So properties of the granite, it is hard, very strong and durable. Its crushing strength is 1000 to 1400 kg per centimeter square. Its color is gray, green, pink, red, black in colors. It has high specific gravity 2.63 to 2.65. It is less porous, fine grained, and can take a good polish. It has uniform, dense texture. Uses of granite, it is mainly used as large building block for heavy engineering works such as piers and abutments of bridges, lighthouses, harbors, etc. So heavy structure लिए ਜਿਹੜਾ granite ਹੈ due to the high specific gravity ਇਹਨੂੰ major ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ we have to use. It is fine grained quality is used for decorative, monumental, facing works, etc. It is used for constructing the steps, sills, and columns. It is also used as aggregate in concrete, as ballast in railway tracks, and as road metal. Second is rock, basalt, and trap. These stones are common varieties of igneous rocks. They are formed by solidification of lava on Earth's surface due to volcanic eruption. Some basalt develop step-like appearance and are known as traps. They are mainly composed of silica, alumina, and feldspar. So this is the basalt and trap. It is a variety of the igneous rocks that are formed by solidification of lava on the surface of the earth. Properties of basalt and trap: their crushing strength is 700 to 850 kg per centimeter square. They are hard and tough. They are greenish gray to dark gray in colors. Their specific gravity 2.9 to 2.96 is more than gray night. Their weight is nearly 2900 kg per cubic meter. So same as the weight of the granite is nearly 2640 kg per cubic meter. So basalt and trap, it's heavy rock, high specific gravity than the granite. They are less porous, compact, and non-crystalline texture. They are difficult to work. Uses of basalt and trap: they are most suitable as road metal, railway blast, and as aggregate in concrete. They are also used as flag stones for paving streets and for constructing steps. They are used in rubble masonry for building purpose. Number 3, sandstone. This stone is a common variety of sedimentary rocks of mechanical origin. It is a variety of the sedimentary rocks and formation by mechanically origin. It's physically stratified and chemically siliceous in nature. It is mainly composed of quartz, grains of sand bound together by a cementing material. But other minerals as feldspar, mica, magnetite are also present. Properties of sandstone: its crushing strength is 400 to 650 kg per centimeter square. It has in many colors as gray, white, yellow, red, light brown. Its specific gravity is 2.3 to 2.4. Its weight is nearly 2350 kg per cubic meter. It is more porous 5% to 6%. It is fine grained to coarse grained in texture. It is easy to dress and work, so it is economical in dressing. So these are the properties of the sandstone. Next is uses of sandstone. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ due to its properties. Its compact and fine grained variety is used for ashlar masonry and other architectural appearance. It is also used for building work. The sandstone of angular, sharp edged is used in heavy engineering works such as dams, docks, etc. The rough and coarse grained sandstone is used for rubble masonry. Limestone, it is a common variety of sedimentary rocks of chemical origin. It's mainly composed of calcium carbonate with varying impurities such as magnesium carbonate, silica, and alumina. There are various kinds of limestone: conker, argillaceous limestone, magnesium limestone, dolomites, compact limestone. Properties of limestone: its crushing strength is 550 kg per centimeter square. It is white, grey, pink, blue, brown, black in color. These are unsuited for external work in an industrial town. Its fire resistance is up to 900 degrees centigrade. Its specific gravity is 2.5 to 2.6. Its weight is 2550 kg per cubic meter, and its water absorption is up to 4%. Uses of limestone. Limestone is a principal source for manufacture of cement, hydraulic lime, and fat lime. It is used as road metal. It is used in masonry, wall, and for paving roads. It is also used in large quantities in blast furnace, bleaching, tanning, and other industries. Marble, it is a most common variety of metamorphic rocks. It is formed from crystallized limestone by metamorphism. Chemically, it is calcareous and mainly composed of calcium carbonate. Properties of marble: its crushing strength is from 500 to 600 kg per centimeter square. User color of marble is white, but it is also available in different colors as gray, black, pink, red, brown, yellow, green, blue, combination of it. It is compact and crystalline in structure, so it take a fine polish. Its specific gravity is 2.72 and its weight is size of V kg per cubic meter, and water absorption is 1 to 3%. Uses of marble, it is used for ornamental and highly specialized building work as column, stair, cases, mantelpieces, table slab, window, sill, floor, finishing steps, etc. It is also used for electrical switches board, wall lining, and other decorative purpose. Next is slate. It is a common variety of metamorphic rock. It is formed from clay, mudstone, and shale, which are altered by heat and pressure. So the original planes of stratification are completely changed and new rocks are developed. It can be split up into the thin sheets along their cleavage planes. Properties of slate: its crushing strength vary from 700 to 2100 kg per centimeter square. It's available in number of colors: dark gray, greenish, gray, purple, reddish, brown, bluish black. It is hard, tough, and least absorptive. It gives ringing sound, other good abrasive resistance, and it is good heat and electrical insulator. Its specific gravity is 2.89 and its weight 290 kg per cubic meter and water absorption up to 1%. Uses of slates: it is especially used for roofing and blackboard. Thick slabs are used for flooring, steps, shelves, metal pieces, sills of door and window. Being non-absorbent, it is used in bath, cistern, journal partition, etc. It is also used for making electrical switchboard and other equipment, being a good insulator. So these are the main common building stones we have discussed: origin, composition, properties, uses, etc. So thank you very much.